Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, I was sitting down and I had already filmed this foundation and concealer in Thursday's Battle of the Foundation, which, by the way, happens to be the KarenReneBeauty foundation. So look for that if you have missed that. But I thought, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup. Why not film a get ready with me, catch you guys up on a few things, and try out just a few new products that I picked up. So, hey, how you guys doing? Beautiful day today. As I mentioned in my previous video, my neighbors across the street are getting a new roof put on. So we're on day 3 of listening to them pound away because they're literally not only taking off all the shingles, they're having to replace all of the plywood there too, which makes me nervous because our houses are the same age. Oh, but you know what? Yeah, our house already got a new roof put on it before we bought it. I forgot about that. Never mind, I'm not worried about it now. Okay, so did I mention what I'm using? I'm using the City Bronzer in color 100. Go in and give a little bit of color today. So after I'm done here, I'm going to go grocery shopping, and I'm also going to go see my mom and see how she's doing. I haven't seen her in several days, so let's see what she's up to. Did y'all have a good Easter? Tell me what you did. Right here. We had my husband's brother and his wife and his daughter, who's an adult, over along with my mother and father-in-law and my husband's other niece's husband. And they did a burger cook-off. So my husband, his brother, and his daughter competed. My husband won. He's tickled pink. Had a great burger. So that was a bad day. I went off of my keto diet, but that's okay. I'm back on it. And I didn't really go too bad on it, so not bad at all. Okay, the next thing I want to try is I picked up this Essence Get Cheeky blush and highlight palette. When I opened it up and I got home, I was a little nervous. So there's a mirror inside, and oops, let me take this thing off. Those are the shades. So as you can see, some of those are pretty shimmery. Whole top row is shimmery. The bottom row has 2 mattes. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here and use that as a highlighter today. It is called Crystal Crush. Oh, it's not bad at all. Okay, that's a little bit much, but we can make it work. And then, since I don't want to shimmer, I think I'm going to go into Totally Toasty right there. Just tap it on it first, because I don't know how pigmented this is. It's pretty pigmented. A lot of these other shades would be great for eyeshadows too, because I don't wear purple highlighter. Alright, I need to buff that in a little bit better. Okay, not bad. Alright, that way I was at it, I may as well go ahead and swatch all the colors for you. So we're going to start right here at one you can't see, but which is what I put on, Crystal Crush. Below that we have Get Glowing. This purple shade is called In Bloom. Then we have Be Kissed, Honey or Not, Royal Flush, Totally Toasty, Natural Girl, Be Blushing, and Rosy in Love. So those are all the shades in there. All right, now let's move on to the eyes. I've already done my brows. I used my brow blade on that. So for the eyes, I'm going to use two palettes. The first one is the Pure Festival palette. It has a nice mirror inside, and these are what the shades are. Yes, Karen is going to use pops of color today. And then I also have the Essence Follow Your Heart palette. And these are the shades in there. So I'm going to start with this one so I can go in and use this color Tickle Peak all over my eyes. Going on very nicely. There we go. Okay, we got the first one on. All right, next I'm going to go into the Pure palette, and I am going to take this shade right here called Epic, and I'm going to use that. God, just dug my nail into it again. These have a lot of fallout, so be careful. It's pretty powdery. Pack a punch there, don't they? It's coming across more orangey than I was looking for. I wanted a brownish shade. There's one in the Essence palette I can pick up and use too. I think I'll go over that with Choose Latte. That one right there. I'm going to pick up this pink shade out of the Pure palette, and I'm going to take that one into my crease. And ooh, how pigmented that is. That was one tap in there. So let's tap all the excess off and be very careful. It all tapped off. Let's not tap that time. There we go. Go really light on this one, you guys. It's a light hand, an itty bitty bit. Unless you really want a stark pink. You got it right here. I'm going to take that kind of down here on the corner of my lid. Take a clean brush and kind of clean that up a little bit. So I'm trying to figure out which shimmer I want to put on the eyes. So there's 4 of them right there. Check out that pinky. That's some chunky glitter. It's like a duochrome. It's actually really pretty. Okay. I'm going to use that. First, I'm going to take this color right here, Free Spirit. I'm going to put that on the inner third of my eyes. Sorry, inner 2/3. going to go in with this one here. It's called Fireworks. That's named appropriately. All right, now I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue. I'm going to put a little bit on the outer 1/3 of those eyes. That shadow is very glittery and chunky, and I really want this to stick. And let's see how this goes. I'm just going to press it on. That's so chunky though. Oh, it's chunky. Now let's work on the lower lash line. I'm going to go back into, actually I'm going to try first blush right there. So the center one. And just smudge that out and around. And then on a flat brush, I'm going to take that same pink shade we went in with, go right up against my lower lash. Okay, let me put on some mascara and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back and I need to put some lips on. I have two choices, so I want to see which one I like better. The first is by KarenReneBeauty. It is their 2-in-1 lipstick and lip gloss. I picked up the color Ballerina. So this is the lip shade. Ooh, I like that a lot. And then the gloss. This is what the wand looks like. That is the gloss by itself, so it's very pigmented. Let's see what it looks like on top. So that's what it would look like down here at the bottom on top of it. So there's one choice. And the other is I picked up a Jordana Liquid Lip, not so pigmented shine, liquid lip color, and this is in 09, so very special. So again, here's what the wand looks like. And that is the very special right there. So that's actually a gloss. I think what I'll do is I'll use the lipstick from this and this gloss. Then I can use both. This is very creamy. That feels so good, but I can just tell it's going to come right off as soon as I eat anything. I think pretty color. Okay, let's put this Jordana. So unique. Sorry, my fan was just rattling away over there. Okay, that's very comfortable. Not sticky at all. Obviously, it's not going to be kiss-proof or anything, so be careful with that. But this is the final look. So what do you guys think? I like everything but the glitter. Don't like the glitter. It's a pretty color, but it's just too chunky. I like a shimmer on my lid, but that's just going overboard. So I'm probably going to take that part of my eye look off before I leave the house today, or I might just wash everything off and start all over. Who knows? Oh, so thanks guys for hanging out with me today. It's been fun. Still would like to hear about your Easter and how all that went. And also, with summer coming up, what plans do you guys have for vacations this year? Any big plans going on? Any cruises, big trips or anything like that? Leave those comments down below too. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also that bell notification that be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, until next time, I love y'all. Bye-bye.